ladies. No, you can't park there. Yes, of course, come in. Don't you look? You look beautiful. Wow, you're so grown up.
Change after church. They didn't want to.
We tried.
Oh, hold on. Get that lunchbox.
This is a pretty. Happy mother. Hello. Y'all didn't have to bring it because I want to get down the baby. So I thought.
No.
Hello, we made it.
Just didn't even knock. Just walked on in.
Here. Succulents are the only houseplants.
Oh, really?
Here.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
It's just like the one I remember.
Road and I get 6 minutes. That's the one that came from
Berries are over here.
That's a gardenia bush.
Oh, okay.
They
I
smell
didn't know if they
so
were
good.
azaleas or if they were gardenias. You got azaleas in the bag. They bloom
They were beautiful.
I
So
love
this is only like the second, third year I have.
but I've never been able to grow them. I've planted them myself. I think Alan is the partial. Oh my God.
I know one year y'all came up here, y'all made some beautiful pictures of y'all. This is just full bloom. Like water balloons. Okay, I put that one. I think this is over this first. Yeah. It's real hard. It's hard for her. I don't know if you noticed how she tried to get it.
I'm going to hold the rose,
I trimmed it, but I think it's throwing rose petals at you. Oh, you can't go up this way, can you? Let's try it. Go ahead. Okay, so Greg's behind you. Stay behind me, Greg. I got you. Here's your wheel. So you got one wheel up here. Okay, now go that way. There you go. Stop, now go back. Go for it. There you go. I'll go around. Yeah, we can come out this one. Yeah, okay. We're going to get you in. There you go. You're not the
I'm not either. I'm never really hard.
You want to take some green turkey?
I'm good. I'm good.
Sure. So do it again. At least we know it works for 15 people.
Huh?
Actually, it was about 14 people.
Today?
Actually, no, it was less than that. If Jessica and him, it came and been 15 people. So that's,
Consider doing all of
and Wes was supposed to come, so
Consider doing all of
I want to, but we'll see.
Love you, Nana. See you soon.
All the cats can come back out now.
Good, Will.
Yeah, bye. Love you.
It was just now trying.
Oh, was it?
Let's go. Y'all be careful. I'll leave you bud. I sure enjoyed seeing you.